Welcome to our guide on understanding foster care in Louisiana. In this video, we'll explore the basic laws and processes involved in becoming a foster parent, as well as other important issues related to foster care in the state. First, let's start with the basic laws around foster care in Louisiana. The state's laws and regulations ensure that the best interests of the child are protected throughout the foster care process. Louisiana law emphasizes the importance of foster caregivers in providing accurate information about the child they are caring for, especially during court proceedings. Foster caregivers have the right to receive notice of court hearings involving the child and their care, and they are encouraged to attend these hearings to provide support and valuable input. There are three main types of foster care in Louisiana. The first is family foster care. In this type of care, children are placed with licensed foster families who provide a safe and stable home environment. Family foster care is the most common type of foster care in Louisiana. The second type is kinship care. Kinship care refers to the placement of children with relatives or family friends who are willing and able to care for them. The third type is group home care. Group home care involves placing children in a residential facility that is licensed to provide 24-hour care. There are several requirements to become a foster parent in the state of Louisiana. These requirements must be met regardless of whether or not the foster parent is a relative of the child. The first is age and legal status. Foster caregivers must usually be at least 21 years old and legally recognized as adults. The next steps are verified background checks. Prospective foster caregivers typically undergo a record check with DCFS. If you have had a valid child protection case, you may not be eligible to become a foster parent. This includes cases of abuse or neglect. A criminal record check will also be conducted. If you, or any adult residing in your home, has been convicted of certain criminal offenses, you cannot become a foster parent. A home study is then conducted to ensure safe living conditions and adequate space is available for the child. You must have working smoke detectors and a fire extinguisher to be deemed a safe home. Potential foster care parents must also prove financial stability. Foster caregivers are expected to have a stable income or financial resources to meet the needs of the child and their care. Potential foster care parents must also provide medical information and complete health screenings to ensure their ability to care for a child's physical and emotional well-being. Everyone in your home must provide a medical statement by a physician indicating they are free of communicable diseases. Emotional and mental health checks are equally as important during the health screening. All household members will be interviewed by a home development worker to determine eligibility. Finally, candidates must provide references. References from non-family members may be required to assess the character and suitability of the prospective foster caregiver. Now, let's delve into the legal process for becoming a foster parent in Louisiana. The first step to becoming a foster parent is attending your onboarding orientation. The orientation meeting is meant to give an overview of what to expect about the program, becoming certified, the children available for placement, and the training and home study process. The next step is the application process, which is handed out at the first pre-service training meeting. The next step is fingerprinting. Fingerprinting for every applicant and any adult over the age of 18 who lives in the home will be required when they come to the DCFS office. The next step prospective foster parents undergo is the pre-service training. Pre-service training is a series of 7 3-hour-long sessions that people have to take in order to become certified as foster parents. Both spouses in a home are required to complete this training. Children are not allowed to attend the training sessions. From there, a final home study is conducted, during which caseworkers conduct interviews, visit the home, and conduct safety inspections. This is where you will meet and become accustomed to your assigned home development worker. The final step is placement. This is the process where the child is placed in the care of the foster home. During the certification process, you will explore what ages, genders, races, numbers, and types of children you are able to care for, and you will be certified accordingly. The agency will try to match children based on your certification. However, you can refuse any placement that is offered. Finally, there are several other important issues related to foster care and adoption that are worth considering. These include understanding the child protection investigation process, reporting child abuse, and navigating the complexities of child in need of care cases. If you need financial assistance, you may be eligible for aid through DCFS and the Department of Health and Hospitals. These options include Louisiana Temporary Assistance to Needy Families, the Kinship Care Subsidy Program, the Family Independence Temporary Assistance Program, a Medicaid card, or financial assistance from the Social Security Administration. To apply, you must contact each agency and complete their application process. Other resources on these issues are available on our website, louisianalawhelp.org. In conclusion, becoming a foster parent in Louisiana involves understanding the legal framework, actively participating in the court process, and being aware of related issues that may arise. By familiarizing yourself with these aspects, you can make a positive impact on the lives of children in need. For more information, visit our website louisianalawhelp.org. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights into the process of becoming a foster parent in Louisiana.